let's go ahead and do this unboxing together. Ooh! Yeah. Oh man. Oh man, these look great. Oh, it's a wrap, bro. It's an actual wrap. Yeah, the truck is, man, I'll tell you what. Hey, yeah, that's all you guys need to see. That's all you guys need to know. Look, the truck about to go crazy. It's a wrap. And there we go, guys. Got the tail lights in. Yes, sir. Boom. So now we got the tail lights. We got the headlights. Replaced my headlights for Benny's charger because one of the headlights, the LED strip doesn't work. So we're about to switch them out and make some money. I'm probably gonna charge him $250 just for the install. So it's a vibe. All right, guys, we're about to go ahead and swap out this headlight. It's this one that needs to get fixed. So what we need to do is we need to take all these clips off and get all these clips, and then there's a bolt up here that we're gonna have to screw on both sides. You see, knock these out, and then there's a bolt like up here. Then we do that, and then take off these, and we get that money, man. Get that money. Nah, I just got this bolt. I already undid it a little bit, but you see, it's right there.
Pay somebody to do this shit, bro. Don't do this yourself. Watch us or whatever, but like, it's not worth it.
Yeah, just pay us.
Anyways, title of video: Do It Yourself Easy Home Headlight Installation.
I think that's, yeah, that. All right, see ya.
See, this isn't the right way. don't show them this way.
So now we're
gonna want to do this gently, okay? Otherwise, you'll look like mine.
Don't worry about it. We're taking all these clips out, and then there's a bolt right here that I gotta get to.
So you just gently.
LOL.
Gently.
That one. Yeah, this guy might not have a car after this. But, so yeah, we're about to just
the whole time that we're working on the car.
Knock this out. I can't really reach that, so I gotta do it little by little by little by little, and it's not a vibe. So.
Dude, I'm gonna pass out. Holy shit. That shit hurts so bad.
Yo, what the
fuck? Okay, we're gonna go look at my finger. Flattened.
That has to be the funniest shit. Oh man, bro, this shit, I don't know, man.
So close though.
All right, guys, we finally got the bumper off. It's only like 9 o'clock at night now. But yeah, now we're going
for 16 hours.
16 hours. Anyways,
self easy tutorial, 30 minutes or less.
30 minutes or less. Only took us 9 hours. But yeah, so now we're gonna get the headlight off, and then we're gonna.
Can't wait to put some editing magic.
Man, I can't fucking. I'm gonna cry when we gotta put it back. All right, there we go.
Dude,
so we got that hoe. We're not even gonna let you guys know what happened, but we got that hoe.
We're just the best.
Yeah, superstar status.
So it's not
whatever, man.
Wow.
Fucking. Wow.
Dude, my McLaren won't start.
They're like, oh, me and a Hellcat. Slight word. Alright, guys. Finally got it done. Took a little while. We needed a little bit of help. Don't worry about it, but we got it. We couldn't quite get this to sit flush and right, but we finally did. Sits a little nicer. Looks great, man. Looks great. How do you feel?
Dude, I feel like my Hellcat finally works.
Woo! Soon? Watch, guys. This has got a 3.5 liter V6 center, and in 6 months we're putting a 6.2 liter, 6.3, 6 point some liter supercharged V8, motherfuckers. As soon as Benny signs his deal to Gucci Mane, we'll put a Hellcat engine in it. We're working on it. We're working on it. Don't worry about it. Another day, another dollar, guys. I just sold my Honda Civic, which is dope. Maybe now I can finally go buy another coupe, which will be nice. Yeah, we'll see if I can find something for a good price. Hopefully, I can find some other coupe to, you know, swap out into in the fleet. I really want to buy like an older SLK Mercedes. We used to have one when I was like a young kid, and I never got to drive it because I was too young. So I want to buy something like in 2006, 2007, just kind of rag on it for a couple of days, maybe a couple months. yeah, I'm not quite sure. I'm still waiting on the Tahoe to get done. It's still in the interior shop. It should be done in the next couple of days. So once I get that sold, I can get a couple more trucks. I think it's probably the goal. Just because, you know, where I'm at, the market for trucks is always high. It doesn't matter, you know, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, any you know, year, any make or model. Like, people just love trucks where I'm at. So maybe I buy a couple of trucks, you know, play it smart instead of trying to buy a coupe. But summer's coming up. I think if I could get a nice little couple of, you know, German coupes, maybe sell them on payments, make a little bit extra fetty. But we'll see what the plan ends up being. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, let you guys know I finally sold the Honda, so I'm pretty happy about that. But yeah, should be good to go. So there we go, guys. Got the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto radio done in the Tahoe, the big body, and then Hood Classic. Looks amazing. Now I gotta do the headlights and taillights, but guys, it looks awesome. The lights, they go all the way back to the very, very back. So now I got the third row seating back there. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna switch these seats out completely because I don't know. I think I might just get leather seats, but yeah, it's looking great. Got a backup camera as well. If I can show you guys. Yes, sir. Lots of money. So there we go. Got the taillights in. Looks amazing. Yes, sir. Just switched them out. We still got to do the headlights, but that's that for now. Yes, sir. So I still got to do the headlights. I'll probably take it to a shop so they can do all the soldering and stuff because I really don't feel like doing that. As you guys saw, I got the... Is this open? Yeah. We got the star ceiling. Let's turn this on real quick and then try not to kill my battery. Stars in here, man, it's crazy. I can't wait till it's nighttime so I can take like, so I can show you guys like the full effect of it. Because at night, this probably looks like a million times more ridiculous. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's vibes. Apple CarPlay and Android Audio, Boss Audio Systems, not something crazy, but it is what it is. And then just did the taillights. Yes, sir. Looks like a GMC Yukon, to be honest. Like the newer style. But yeah, it's coming along great. It's coming along great. Boom, at nighttime, dude. This looks crazy. And it goes so far back that it just, man, looks like a whole set of stars. Dude, I'll tell you what, man, this thing is nuts. This thing is absolutely nuts. Yeah, plus the radio, backup camera, man, the wheels, the paint job. Once I get the rest of the interior done, it's wraps. And then this is what the taillights look like at night. Jeez, I can't speak English. Yeah, really, it just sets it up. Let me put the hazards on and stuff for you guys. Let's put the hazards on. Show you guys brakes and all that stuff, but yeah, turn the lights off just because I don't want to run them out. But yeah, the truck's looking great. Once I get the headlights done, it's gonna look amazing. I got the backup camera as well on there. It's a vibe. Right on the towage, because most people, when they get a backup camera for this type of vehicle, like a truck or something, some people want a towage camera. So there's your towage camera, I guess. Sitting on 22s.